waiting. Please bring snacks.
Alright guys, so hello, so this is MiKE, my 3D printed humanoid walking robot.
Okay boss, I am waiting. Please bring snacks.
Which one I hope will soon walk.
Alright, walking mode. Please do not push me.
Please don't push me.
I look professional, yes.
Tweak my code, the code of that robot, to make him more alive and more real, so he will walk and do some funny things. Hold that guy, hold that things what you see, hold that guy what you see. I designed this straight from my head. That was some crazy idea of creating something more than this. And this is my first walking robot, so, and that is really good, really big challenge for me. It's much bigger than I thought, because to design and 3D print build that thing is super easy if you build something like that. But like you see my robots before they move on the tracks, and we can hear. Let's take one of the batteries. So 4 amperes, that would be enough for Winnie. So we can start this one. And if you compare,
rebooting.
Alright.
Moby is ready.
Are
The
you
call
alive?
sign is Winnie.
Yeah, Winnie's alive. And we can also connect here machine vision camera, which will make him much more alive. Are you alive? Winnie? He's still starting. Okay, he's booting. Alright, we can wait for this. Anyway, with MiKE I have much more work than I thought before. And biggest problem for me is not the construction, not the or the mechanics or code. The biggest problem is just why you didn't start? The biggest problem with MiKE, reset him one more time, it's a power source. I've been trying the many batteries. I've been trying many batteries for him.
Is ready. The call sign is Winnie.
Hi,
Oh,
I'm Winnie. Say my name. Then do you wanna play? Or press P
Hey.
and explore? Next stop, Deep Road, leave.
Winnie,
Loading every minute.
Winnie, Winnie, do you wanna play? You want this?
Loading every minute. Yes, yes, yes. Winnie wanna play now. Can I get this?
No, you can get that. That's my
But
battery.
what can I do with that?
Nothing,
What is
because this is
that
battery for MiKE.
PP. 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 Stop it. No disassemble.
Alright, no disassemble. Alright, we won't disassemble you, but we'll shut you down. Just be quiet for now. Go sleep. With MiKE, the biggest problem what I have is a power source. I've been trying different batteries, different. I try everything, of course. There probably you can use a right battery, but this will be probably expensive. I try to make it also cheap, so I start with those batteries, NEMH. You use that battery mostly in the RC cars, boats and all that stuff. and I've been testing few brands of that, and mostly they get burned. From the beginning I used just one battery like that, and that wasn't enough. Then I used 2 batteries. I separate the whole circuit, and it was like 1 battery for electronics, another battery was for all of the servos, and MiKE use 24 servos, and they are, like you see, standard servos and little bit bigger servos, from 25 to 60 kilograms the power. Anyway, he been burning batteries all the time. He walked a little bit and get some issues all the time. So after some time I decided to build one small battery by itself. That one is for electronics, and we'll connect this one now, or maybe not now, later. And he have 2 more batteries like that on the back, and I separate that with his legs. 1 battery for his legs, another battery for his upper body, arms and the head movements. So let's put first battery in, and that battery, the better one, is for legs. 753-52 volts. That's actually perfect condition. With that battery and that brand, I don't want to make any anti-reclam for that, but that company, we cover it right so nobody see. It's shit. That battery, maybe it will work for RC cars, but with that currents, with that all the servos, that battery get damaged really fast. I mean, maybe some of the cells get just get burned. This is kind of difficult to install all the wires and cables here. I see it here, yeah. And you know, guys, this is just a prototype. I still test that robot and learn something new. We'll see that damaged battery. I already ordered today the new one. Oi 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 oi. Shit happen. I hope nothing get burned, because then this will be really expensive fail. Alright, so we connect first Arduino Mega with Movi system. We start speakers as well. Sorry man, I almost burned you.
Movi is ready. The call sign is MiKE.
Right, MiKE. Sorry.
Okay, boss. I am waiting. Please bring snacks.
Yeah, no snacks today. Let's connect first legs, upper body. Alright, well, this is just a beginning, this is just a test. Something is wrong. This is not straight. Is this working? Yeah. It's a little bit shaking. He's using for stabilization the sensor gyro with accelerometer. If I remember, that was MPU 6050 or something like that. I don't remember. But that's what we're going to do now. We're going to release him, because you see he's shaking. He's using the sensor and try to find balance to stabilize himself. So remove this. We'll put him on the legs. Wait.
Okay, boss. I am waiting. Please bring snacks.
I am not your boss and it will be no snacks. Just wait.
Front. Ready for action.
Alright, MiKE, let's put you here. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to connect my laptop. Wait. You see that battery is dying. Wait.
Okay, boss. I am waiting. Please bring snacks.
We're going to connect Arduino Mega now. So this is his base of all the servos. That's a motion controller. Sorry, that's a microcontroller responsible. Wait.
Ground scan. Ground check complete.
No, not scan anything. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to test the new version of the code, which one ChatGPT tweaked for me. Why you are so shaking? You're freezing, man. It's warm here, hot. Okay, done compiling. Now we're going to upload. I will hold him because you never know what will happen.
Movie is loading new sentences. Please do not unplug the power.
Alright, I hold him.
Training finished. Unplugging is safe. One moment, please.
Shoo.
Movie is ready. The call sign is MiKE.
Like
Okay,
this.
boss. I am waiting. Please bring snacks. I am still here. Looking cool.
Ah, you're looking so cool.
Scanning. Scanning. No
So-
snacks detected.
So now
I
that
am
what
still here.
ChatGPT
Looking cool.
make him a little bit more alive.
I
He
am
had some
bored.
micro movements and to help.
Scanning. No snacks detected.
Alright,
Beep boo. I am bored.
me too. So let's try. Mike,
Beep boo.
Mike,
I am bored.
Mike. Look left.
Forward.
Hey, Mike. Look left.
Left scan.
Whoa, 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 don't fall down. Mike. Look right.
Right scan.
He's falling
Beep
down.
boo.
Oh, beep
I am
boop.
bored.
Mike. Walk. I will catch you.
Beep
Come to me.
boo. I am bored.
Because you don't do anything. Mike. Walk.
Beep boo. I am bored.
Mike.
Up scan.
Mike.
Beep boo. I am bored.
Hey, Mike. Go.
All right. Walking mode. Please do not push me.
Please don't push me.
I
But-
look professional, yes. Stopping.
But you don't
My
walk
feet
at
are
all.
tired already.
So,
Beep boo. I am bored.
Mike.
I'm still here.
Mike.
Looking cool.
Alright, let's try to send him some commands straight
Scanning.
from my
Scanning.
laptop through
No
the serial
snacks
port.
detected.
Beep boo.
Reset.
I'm bored.
You wait now.
Scanning. Scanning. No snacks detected.
Let's try if he can crouch. Go down.
Crouching. I am not hiding. Maybe.
Let's get up.
Beep boo. I am bored.
Yo, yo, yo.
Tall. I am a beautiful robot. I am still here.
He wanna lay.
Looking cool.
He wanna lay down.
Beep boo. I am bored.
So we have to hang him up because this
Sorry, I didn't
start to be
understand.
really danger now. Oh, he's so heavy. I almost can't hold him in one hand.
Beep boo. I am bored.
Yo, beep boop, what happened with your legs? Mike, wait.
Okay, boss. I am waiting.
But
Please bring snacks.
there will be no snacks if you don't straight your legs.
I am bored.
So let's try this. No.
Okay, boss. I am waiting. Please bring snacks.
They-
Standing tall.
The easiest
I am a
way
beautiful
for now
robot.
it will be just
I am still here.
reset
Looking
him.
cool.
So let's upload the same code one more time. Yeah, one battery is slowly dying. You just wait. You upload your code.
Okay, boss. I am waiting. Please bring snacks.
Okay, let's disconnect everything. You don't have any like reset buttons for now. This is just real prototype, so all the connections are just through the connectors and cables. Let's try one more time. Electronics, legs, and the upper body. We'll see what will happen. Stand back. Smells weird. Something get burned. Oh, that battery just died. Alright. One of the batteries probably. That was the shitty one. So that's the upper body. That's the legs. Let's connect legs. And that connectors are so shitty. Oh, fuck this. Okay, pump. No, this is really unprofessional way to build a robot. Just all the connectors with the cables.
Moby booting.
Alright, it works. So that was the shitty one.
Moby is ready. The call sign is MiKE.
Right. Upper body first.
Okay, boss. I am waiting. Please bring
And
snacks.
legs.
Beep boop. I am bored.
Yeah,
Beep
that
boop.
battery is
I
really
am
burned.
bored.
And instead of 7 volts I just got 3.92 volts.
Beep boop.
But let's try.
I am bored.
MiKE.
Beep boop. I am bored.
MiKE.
Scanning. Scanning. No snacks detected.
Alright, let's connect him to our laptop.
Scanning. Scanning. No snacks detected.
You will stay here.
I am still here. Looking cool. Beep boop. I am bored.
It should reset now. No. That's actually really weird. Try one more time. Oh, okay, he's alive, but his battery is for okay. Battery is dead, so that will be the end of today testing, because that start to be really dangerous now. So this get melted. No, so one more time. Let's compare the two batteries. So say this battery, like for NEMH, it's really good. I use that battery like I don't know, like few months, many tests, many hours spent with Winnie. Sorry, not with Winnie, with MiKE, and that battery still works. Then I bought two of them, also 5000 milliamperes. We connect a brand so you don't see, right? No anti-reclam. And this is shit. That gets like damage, burn after like maybe 2 or 3 of time of testing MiKE. And I'm using this charger, which one works great, N8 compact charger. It's perfect for that battery, so everything should be fine, but bad luck. So until I won't get the new one, I mean those ones, we can do so much, so I have to wait a few days. Let's take that camera out from my head now, and then until I won't get the new battery, it will be no more test of MiKE, because working with the battery which won't get discharged in the like 2 minutes, this is nonsense, and I think this can be really dangerous. Battery is really hot. Oof. It's like 40-50 degrees, so I don't want to use that one anymore. And as soon as I will get a new batteries, we're going to continue the work with MiKE, and I hope as soon as possible he will walk and he will do some really funny things.